What we're trying to do is introduce the concept developed by Gary Chapman and offer you a way to use it on a daily basis with your partner. So, in review, the 5 love languages are touch, words of affirmation, quality time, acts of service, and material gifts. Touch people love to hear and feel I love you with contact. They typically are affectionate people. They will come and give you that small kiss. They will give you the shoulder rub. They'll rub the cheek. They're very touchy-feely because that is how they are communicating I love you and communicating you matter. Words, people like to hear I love you and you matter with words. I love you. You look great today. You look super sexy. Wow, you're looking yoked. Words are helpful in terms of feeling validated and that we matter. Quality time, people love spending time together. Maybe they need to go shopping, maybe they want to just go to a ball game, maybe they just want to sit outside on the hammock, but doing so with another person and spending that quality time together is what makes them feel loved, what makes them feel like they matter. Acts of service, people, you could rename this almost as acts of love. Don't tell me you love me, show me you love me. So what you want to do is ask your partner if their acts, what kind of acts really do it for them? Do they really want help around the house? Do they want you to remember to pick up after yourself? Show me you love me through acts of love. Typically these people will make dinners. They'll clean up after the dinner. They'll clean the house. They'll make sure all the little things that make life work well are in order. That's how you know an acts of service person. Then you have material gifts. Material gifts is not materialism. It is a tangible expression of I love you and you matter. So let's take, for example, my earrings. My earrings were given to me by my parents a long time ago. I remember my parents every time I put on these earrings. Material gifts, people like the tangibility of something that's permanent because it feels like they can always go back to that place and feel that felt sense of I matter. Imagine you have a little piggy bank. And imagine your partner has a piggy bank. And now imagine your real bank account. If your bank account was always kind of just simmering at, $5, and you put in your paycheck, but then you pay all your bills and you're back to $5, it can feel exhausting to always be operating with only $5 in your account. But it's a place that might be familiar for you, and hey, all your bills are paid, so it's no big deal. However, if you get in a fight and you only have $5 in your account, what happens is you overdraw and it feels like now you're in the red and a pretty scary place. So when couples fight and their emotional piggy banks are pretty empty most of the time, the fights feel more severe. The idea here is we want to fill the piggy banks on a daily basis, so A, we feel like we matter to one another, B, we're giving our partner daily deposits of love, and C, we're actually padding ourselves with a reserve so that if and when we fight, we have a lot more in the account so that if we take $50 out, you know what, we still have $2,000 in there and the repair feels easier. So here are our piggy banks. My husband, acts of service, me, words and touch. When my husband writes a card for me, telling me all the ways that he appreciates me and finds gratitude in all the things that I do for the family, my heart warms. When he comes up to me and gives me small kisses and hugs, my heart warms. When I make the bed, especially super nice and neat, because he's sort of a neat kind of guy, his heart warms. When I surprise him with a beautiful meal, especially his favorite ones, his heart warms. So the idea is on a daily basis, can you challenge yourself to go put a deposit in your partner's piggy bank? As you think about your partner's piggy bank with the 5 love languages, you can brainstorm 3 things that would be meaningful for you and 3 things that would be meaningful for them. And then trade lists. Make sure that the 3 things you select are actually the things your partner wants.